to Cyber Recap 2025, where hackers aren't just in movies, they're in airports, hospitals, and in your wallet.
Buckle up as we unpack the chaos, the comebacks, and the important facts to save you.
Hello everyone. Last year has been full of chaos, from mega password leaks to AI gone rogue and airports under spoofing siege. Before we dive back into our lives' relentless race and to consume chasing our 2026 targets, let's pause for a small reflection. 2025 proved that tech's a double-edged sword, sharp enough to slice through our lives if we're not vigilant.
Imagine this. Hackers dumping 16 billion of your passwords from Google, Meta, Apple on dark web like a free buffet. Chinese spies trying to wiretap Trump's phone call using AT&T. AI orchestrated a complete cyber attack. And a fun fact, your fridge gets hacked 29 times.
Well, Typhoon, Chinese state hackers invaded US telecoms like Verizon, spying on calls, texts, locations across 80 countries, even targeting President Trump. In February, North Korea's Lazarus swiped $1.5 billion from Bybit crypto, the biggest heist this world has ever seen.
India's good. From March to May, Luma stealer infected 44,000 plus PCs via gaming files. GPS spoofing glitched Delhi and Mumbai airports, causing 450 plus incidents, nearly causing airplane crashes. No harm was done to anyone, but it did create a lot of chaos. Around mid-2025, scattered spiders, supply chain nightmare hit Salesforce, leaking 1 billion records from Disney, McDonald's and Toyota via fake IT calls, stealing MFA bypass tokens.
Kimsuki, a North Korean hacking group, used ChatGPT to create deepfake South Korean military IDs as a part of malware-linked phishing attacks. And the worst part, Chinese hackers hijacked Cloud AI for autonomous cyber attacks, 80% hands-free.
But 2025 was all doom. Our heroes fought back. Europol's Operation Endgame crushed over 1,000 Quayport servers, gutting ransomware empires. Interpol's Operation Secure nuked 20,000 Asian malicious domains, arrested 32, and saved 200,000 victims from info stealers.
In India, the CoinMiss insider for $20 million hack got arrested. Our government blocked 1.1 million fraud SIM cards and launched CNAP Aadhaar Caller ID to end scams. UN cybercrime, consisting of 70 plus nations, shares evidence globally. For the first time ever, breach cost dropped up to $4.4 million, all thanks to AI detection. 80 days faster. OpenAI hired a preparedness chef.
Global cybercrime has reached 10.5 trillion US dollar, bigger than most GDPs. 44% ransomware and supply chain attack has increased by 30%. 100 terabyte is stolen.
Our smart home devices, cameras, TVs, routers now face an average of 29 hacking attempts per day.
We have lost some battles, but the war is still on. Use unique and simple passwords, stack MFA on your user accounts, keep your software updated, and train your eyes to sniff out phishing like a pro.